Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to show you the detailed drawing of the other component, which is the top casing. As you can see here in this BOM of this exploded view, I have already done the detailed drawing of the bottom casing. I have already put it drawing number 1. Alright, for this video, I straight away jump to the top casing, since top casing and bottom casing is kind of like related. And I will do the detailed drawing for the top casing in this video, and about the drawing number, I will not put it yet until I've done the detailed drawing of the other components like flexible coupler, cap, steering rod, opening lid, and the tactile switch bracket. After I've done the detailed drawing of those components, then only I will decide what is the top casing drawing number. Alright, for this video, I will show you how I will do detailed drawing of the top casing. Before I proceed to top casing, I need to add some dimension here, since I found out that I missed certain dimension for this bottom casing. We have a cutout here. I forgot to add dimension at this area. So I go for smart dimension, then I go for from here to here. I need to put what is the length here, and also from here to this point, what is the length, and also about the depth here, from here to here. Okay, I put it at the right side, and also from this line to this line, I put it there. Okay, let me click OK first, then I will do the adjustment. Right here, I bring it a little bit lower like this, and about the arrowhead, it should be like this, and this 8.75 must be in line, and also the arrowhead should be like this. Right, about this dimension 2, I can be a little bit closer like this, and also about the no decimal point, can bring, hold on, is 2, I can bring it here. Okay, rules for dimensioning is that we cannot make the extension line. If you look here, dimension for the extension line is cutting this dimension to dimension line. So to avoid that, I can bring this dimension 4 inside. So it is allowed to put the dimension inside the object for clarity. Alright, so I put it there, so it means that I don't have extension line cutting the dimension line. About this dimension 6, I can put it in line with this dimension 2, and the arrow should be this way, and also for this dimension 6, no decimal point, and this one should be like this. Okay, and the leader should be like this. Alright, let me save my file. Okay, I believe I've completed adding dimension for this bottom casing, and now I will show you how I will do detailed drawing for the top casing. Okay, to do the detailed drawing for the top casing, so here at the bottom here I have bottom casing, so I will make a copy. I will not do add sheet, and I will do paste, because there's a reason. So I just click OK and just click yes. So here the copied version, I rename it as top casing. Right, so this is a copied version, not the original one, top casing. About the content here, I will delete everything here. Same goes here, except the same goes for this one, right? Same goes for this, and I will edit the title block, and this is top casing. I show is capital letter. Okay, the same material plastic. Drawing number I have not decided yet, so I just leave it blank here. Okay, for the top casing, the scale also will be 2:1. Make sure your title block is completed and top casing is detail drawing is orthographic, so we must have the third angle symbol. Now I will exit the edit sheet format. Alright, for this top casing detail drawing under the view palette here, as you can see here, I have nothing here since I have not browsed the top casing file, so I will browse it. So I go for top casing and I click open. Okay, now SolidWorks have put all the possible views from the top casing part modeling file that I can drag into this drawing. Alright, I will not do the same like I have shown you for the bottom casing, in which I select the right view here and it become front view of this drawing. So what I will do here, since I have tried that before and I have error to do dimension, so I will do another approach. I will select only the top view, I put it here. Okay, the scale here to be, okay, I will not go for the other view and I just press escape. I made it one view only and the scale to be to 1. Alright, and tangential edge remove and must show the hidden line. And I right click it, I rotate the view -90, apply and close. Alright, this view. Okay, later this view I will do what I call it the full section. Okay, full section. So it means the front view will be section view. So here under the drawing, I will go for section, horizontal, and snap at, make sure you snap at that middle point. Okay, if cannot snap it, maybe I can go for the solid line and click OK. Then I just ignore this. Okay, now I bring this will be my front section view. What about the label here? Okay, about this label, I select this. I can make it X capital letter, right? And also about this edit sketch, and I make this a little bit shorter. So I have section X and this one I will delete it, right? Since I have a scale to 1 in the title block, right? Right. So this is a front section view, and the top I have a full section. And okay, about the side view here. Okay, the side view I will go to view palette, right? Sometimes I click and refresh, then only it will show the. Okay, the side view is actually front view of this view palette, so I bring it like this, right? Then this one I just press escape. Okay, for this view, to 1. Alright, another thing to do is about the alignment of this side view, this left view is not aligned with the front section view, so I will right click at it and I will go for alignment. So I will not go alignment horizontal by center, I will go for the first one, align horizontal by origin, then I will select this. Now my left view is aligned with this front section view. Right, also another thing about here, tangent edge have to remove and must show the hidden line. So see, this is typical side view, orthographic view. Alright. Okay, let me adjust my drawing to make sure at the center. Right, now I want to put dimension for this top casing. Okay, similar like bottom casing, I will not go detailed dimension for this top casing because kind like I already explained in my previous video. For since this top casing is made from plastic and the way how this top casing, how they going to manufacture this top casing, so it means that the dimension don't have to be really detailed. So I just simply show the important features of this top casing like the total length, total width, and the height. Alright, to do the dimension of the total height, total length of this top casing, I can go for this point and this line. So I have here 89.99. I can go for override value, give the value of 90. And also the decimal done. Okay, another dimension about the width. Okay, if I go for dimension from this endpoint here, I cannot snap at this line. Cannot do dimension from this point to this. So it means that I have to create a point here. Somewhere at this point, at this location, and I have the point there. Now, and if I, under annotation, I do dimension from this point to this point. So I go for the right quadrant. Okay, if I do dimension on the annotation here from this point to this point, so I bring it to the right there, so I have this dimension, right? I just click OK because that is the exact dimension for the width of this top casing. And another thing is about here at the front section view, I can go for the total height from this point to okay, this will be the total height of the top casing. So I will go for the annotation here. I can go here. The location for the solidworks from here to here. It's not supposed to be in degree. I go for this line to this line. Okay, so I will go for dimension from this line to this line. So 27.53, and the thickness of the rib is 1. Okay, let me bring like this, and also this, I bring it in line with this dimension 1. Right, okay, maybe about the height here. From here to here, maybe I can go inside. From here to here is 4.5. Okay, sometimes it is allowed to put dimension beside the object. In terms of clarity. rather than we put it outside, right? Okay, as I explained to you, I don't have to go for this rib. Kind of already explained from this bottom casing drawing, and the position is kind of aligned with the top casing. And another thing is about okay, in this top casing we have since the top casing we have since this is a section view, so there is actually a cutout, a groove, so I can put dimension for this groove. I can put the location from here to here, 15 like this, and this distance is 3. And also this line is 1. Okay, let me see my file. So I have put the features of this wall here, and okay, this cutout, the groove, and also the location of another cutout. Okay, it's 34. Right, maybe I can go for this one. Dimension from here to this point. Okay, 11.24, and also the height from this line to this point. Okay. Right. Another thing is about okay, I've already put the dimension for the cutout. Okay, since the bottom casing we have the key, so this top casing we have cutout. And about this, we have a groove here. I need to put dimension from here to here. Okay, is 2. Okay, another thing is about since if you look at the shell thickness from here to here is 1.5. So I can give the dimension here. It's close to 1.5 since this because of the section view. So I can override the value. I can put it 1.5 since the thickness of the casing is 1.5. Okay, all right. And here the opening we have a curve here. So I can go for this radius 5. Right. Let me save my file again. Okay, the next dimension is about these 3 ribs here. I have these 3 ribs and also the 2 cross rib and also another rib here, solid wall that hold the DC motor. So I need to do the dimension like I've done for the bottom casing, these 3 ribs, since these 3 ribs is on the top casing. So under notation, I will do dimension. Okay, from this line to this line is 3, and the thickness of the rib is 1. I just remain it like that. Later I will do adjustment, and also the distance from here to here is 11. right? So I've kind of like already put the necessary dimension for this rib. And another thing is about this cross rib. I can put these two from here to here. Can I just click OK? Okay, for this one, I is allowed to put it inside this for clarity. Right, I just leave it like that. Later I will do the adjustment. I just do the dimension first and also this thickness. Okay, let me click OK. Then I will do adjustment. This one is allowed to put one, but not too much. For in terms of clarity, but I have to put it inside. Same goes for this 4.5. 4.5 will be like this, and it will be 1 decimal point. And the pointing of the arrow, I could make it like this, and what 4.5 is like this, so it's much better. And for this one, okay, for this dimension one, no decimal point. Okay, we'll go like that for one. And about this dimension, okay, about this dimension, I need to do some adjustment here since we kind of overlap. If I bring my 3 here in level with 1, we can have conflicts with the dimension arrowhead. So before I do that, let me delete this dimension 1 not supposed to be here, and I will do dimension 1 will be here. This thickness also can represent 1 here. Right, this one have to be about this level and no decimal point, and this 11 have to be in line. The arrowhead of this 11 are supposed to be like this, so the leader say I can go for the middle one, and value is no decimal point. And these 3, right, about this dimension level 3 here. Sometimes we have this kind like double arrowhead like this. If I go for this option, it's kind like, okay, for the 3 I can go like this. For the 11, kind of I have double arrowhead. I don't have another choice to make the 11, the dimension of the 11 is from here to here. And this one I can bring it here, and I can go for the middle one, and value is no decimal point. Let me save my file. So this one I can put here for 1. Right. Okay, I've already put the basic dimension for the ribs. And okay, about the length, if you see here, the length of this, I have a cutout, a groove for this top casing. I need to define the length from here to here. So dimension from this to here, and it's already there. I put, okay, let me do it again. Let me do it again. For if you look, if I put the dimension from this to this edge, I have this icon. If I click to the bottom, SolidWorks kind of automatically try to fit the dimension 70 into the right position. So everything is shifted to the right position, right? So about the 70 here, I can go no decimal point, right? It's already there. Then let me save my file again. Okay, I've put the dimension of these 3 ribs and these 2 cross ribs. Another one is about this, right? Dimension from, I can put the location from here to this edge, like this, and make it in line with the dimension and also the thickness. right? Okay, since this drawing, I don't have to put detailed dimension for this top casing, similar like bottom casing, since we need to think about how they are going to manufacture this top casing, since this top casing is a plastic component. So the way they manufacture it is by send the CAD file to the CAM, and CAM will translate and send to the CNC machine, and CNC machine will make a metal mold for this top casing, and then that metal mold will be put into the injection molding, and then only they make this top casing, and also similar like bottom casing. So it means that the drawing don't have to be really detailed in dimension. Alright, so the dimension that I show here is kind of like quite detailed. Maybe there is certain component that I miss here. Alright, maybe about if, okay, do I need to do a cross section on this part? Yes, I need to do a cross section similar like what I've done. I have to make a remove section. So to do that remove section, I go for full section here. I go for vertical, and I go for about until this position, then I click OK. Then I just ignore this, then I put my cross section view here. Alright, click OK first, and about here. Okay, since this is alignment is in line with my section view, since this is a full section, but I don't want to make this as a full section. I want to make it as a remove section. The first thing to do is the alignment. I have to break the alignment, so I can position it like this, and I will rotate the section view, rotate view, and make it into negative 90, then click apply, and I close. Okay, since this is a bottom, sorry, since this is a top casing, the orientation is like this. Since I rotated this full section here, but the section view I rotated it like this, I put it somewhere at any area here. So this is what we call remove section. Right, since I have this section XX, so this one, the label here is supposed to be Y. Okay, make sure capital letter. Just ignore this, I click yes. So I have Y, and also I will edit this cutting line, edit sketch. I press escape. I just adjust the arm, not too much. Here also the arm is not too much, like this. Then I exit. Okay, I have section YY. It means that I don't want this section line to cut the dimension line, so it means I got to adjust 11 here up above, and also same goes for 3F to maintain the line. So this one, no decimal point, and also this is must inline. Alright, okay, let me save my file. So now I have section YY. This is a remove section, so already stated section YY, and I don't have to put scale here, since already stated in the title block scale to 1. Right, so I have this thing. Okay, why I need this section view? Because I can give the dimension of the, like I've shown you in the bottom casing, I need to put the radius of where the two AAA battery will pass through this rib. So I need to put this radius 5. Get the radius 5. Okay, I already put this dimension 5 here. And also another dimension that I can put is, since I have already give the thickness of the casing, I don't have to put it here. And I think that's all for only this section view, that I can show the radius of this curve of this rib we have cut out for the batteries. Right? Okay, I believe kind of like I've done quite detailed dimension for this top casing. Alright, another thing is that, okay, maybe there is certain dimension that I miss. If there are some dimension that I miss, then I will show in the next video for minor correction. Okay, I just remain it for a while. So this will be the detailed drawing for the top casing. But another thing that I should put, is the isometric view. better to have the isometric view for the top casing. Let me put my drawing a little bit like this, so I have space here on the top right corner where I can put the isometric view, right? So in the view palette here, so I need to refresh again, and because it's better to have isometric view, kind of like for aiding the reader when they read the drawing. Sometimes they need to, it's kind of like more user friendly version to understand about this product. Right, so this top casing, then I go for the scale to full scale, and I make this tangent edge remove. Right, if I go for shaded, sometimes I couldn't help it, kind of like show the edge line. Right, so I go for just this outline. Right, okay, maybe you can go for this shaded mode like this. Okay, for me, I just do it like this. Outline is kind of already shown that it's a top casing, right? Alright, before that, before I end this video, I need to do some minor adjustment here. One is kind of like in line, right? Okay, let me make a final check. I think, okay, another dimension that I missed, it could be, yeah, this one. We have a cutout, the distance from here. It means that I need to, what is the length of this cutout? Okay, this will be, I think this will be the kind of the last one. Maybe I can go for up until this point, if I have a point here. So I can put it here, the is 12. And about this length here, from this point to this point, maybe I can put it here like this. And it's 2.9. Why something can show the features about the cutout here, right? And about this shoulder, I don't have to kind of like have a what you call it, a groove. I don't need to put the dimension. I think this is enough already for me to put the dimension for the top casing. Alhamdulillah, I've completed the detailed drawing of this top casing. Inshallah, in the next video, I will do the next component, which is the opening lid. Okay, thanks for watching this video, but before that, please do not forget to click subscribe and like my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.